Honda has charged into the electric city car market with the Honda E, and it's a car that's certainly going to get noticed, especially finished in this distinctive signature colour of charged yellow. It's Honda's first pure battery electric vehicle in Europe and helps kickstart the brand's commitment to having electrified all of its car sales by 2025. A 35.5 kilowatt hour battery is mated to an electric motor with outputs of 100 or 113 kilowatts. It's a car of the future, but styling cues hark back to the 1970s Honda Civic. Round eye-like lights will put a smile on your face, and I particularly like the flush fit pop-out door handles, while wheels at each corner aid stability and space. Sector-first door cameras rather than mirrors give a good wide view, but it's not always attractive. Instant electric power can propel it to 62 miles an hour in just 8 seconds. And it's a car that's very much geared for the city. It's got a tight turning circle, excellent ride comfort, really soaking up bumps and lumps. A long wheelbase and wide tracks really help the way it drives. The driver's dashboard view is as engaging as it is entertaining, with twin 12.3-inch screens giving a wealth of data and connectivity information. While stationary, you can even turn this panoramic display into a virtual aquarium and feed the fish. The four-seater has room for adults in the back and a supermarket shop in the boot. It looks small but dwarfs this 1972 Honda Z600. The Honda E is a high-tech vision of Back to the Future.